Welcome back. We now go to the business review with Dashan Hendricks, who looks at the expansion of the Usain Bolt Tracks and Records franchise.
A glitzy ceremony in Montego Bay recently. The occasion, the opening of the third Usain Bolt Tracks and Records location in Jamaica. The other locations are in Kingston and Ocho Rios. Continuing its expansion, this Montego Bay franchise owned by Crissa Entertainment Limited has been in operation for a month on the hip strip in that city, but only officially opened recently. The hope is that it will help to revitalize that area, which has been drab for a while.
This strip had an illustrious past. For anybody that's from Montego Bay and knows the history, it was once a favorite destination of the jet set, and more recently has been run down and even closed. If you look right over there, one of the largest hotels in this area is closed. So we know that Chris is the right person to get this done.
Tourism interests out as well, seeing this restaurant as part of its gastronomy push, positioning Jamaica as a destination for food tourism.
I'm sure before long there'll be more like it, and there'll be a continuation of how we continue to market this destination in new and different ways. So I just wanted to say tonight, it's great to be here. We're looking forward to having more opportunities like this.
But the story is more about Tracks and Records, started 9 years ago by the KLE Group, which has since ditched its nightclubs. Focusing now on the restaurants, CEO Gary Matlin says in Jamaica, discussions have started about another location in the grill. The plans are, however, yet to be finalized. Overseas locations are, however, more advanced.
We will be opening another location. This one will be the first one outside of Jamaica, and we're very excited about that. It's going to be in London, and the design work is complete for that project, and construction is now beginning, and we'll open that location later this year.
It's the first location in London. Mr. Matlin would not be drawn on more specifics about when it will be opened, but it will be one of 15 franchises so far agreed to be located in the United Kingdom.
It's a big deal for me, and I'm really happy about that and where the brand is going, and Kaylee is doing a wonderful job of making the brand big and making it worldwide, so we're working together to make the brand as big as possible.
Other areas under discussion include Dubai, South Florida, and Toronto. For the Business Review, I am Dashan Hendricks.